All right, I got this huge block of knives in, and inside the block there was about 5 different types of serrated edge knives. Now, after inspecting these knives, none of these need to be reground. They just kind of need to be honed and cleaned up a little bit and the edges touched up. So sometimes we'll have to use our diamond wheels like this to regrind serrated knives. In this case, we're not. We're going to use the buffer with the Scotch Brite, 3M Scotch Brite Radial Wheels. One side is a 80 grit and the other side is a 400 grit, and we're just going to touch up these serrated edges for the customer.